Huwag ka maingay, tay.
Kung siya nakilala dun sa, kumbaga siya yung artist na gumawa ng image to this Christ, yun ang dala-dala naman ni Saint Tadeus.
And on that, these people say that they embody a name. So hence, you are an artist yourself. I think your parents have named you right.
Oo. Kaya, nung una nga sabi ko, bakit sila pinangalan sa akin? Yung pala kinuha sa kalendaryo. Ngayon, parang natutuwa na rin ako yun ang name. Kasi, madaling sabihin. Lalo na siya sa artist. Yes, yes. Pero noon, bata ka siyempre parang ako ba naman yung lumang pangalan. Pero yun pala, meron pala nakabalot na mystery or magandang idudulot yung pangalan niya. Lalong-lalo na ngayon as an artist. Kailangan natin na magmamark na nakakandaan.
But besides your name, it has definitely made a mark because of your numerous awards. You have found over like 12 awards, even more. Or since 2001 or even 1992, you go all the way back there. For now, I want to touch on your latest work. You are an interactive artist. Interactive art meaning lahat ng mga gawa mo, pwedeng i-touch or may connection, may interaction between me, the viewer, and art. Usually kasi tinitigan lang yan, di ba?
Opo. Ang ongoing po yung aking show sa Mega Mall Art Center. Nag-start kami April 18 up to May 5. Lahat ng work, lalo-lalo na yung mga malalaki, yung major works are all interactive. At saka, ang mga gawa ko lahat doon na nakasabit done for 2 years straight para lang sa show nito.
2 years, because how many did you give or did you have to finish for this exhibit?
I have 45 paintings in the exhibit. Kasi ang Mega Mall, ang art center, kasi it's the biggest gallery sa Mega Mall.
And the whole gallery now. We're going after videos of some of your work there. I see different things from fish pieces to money to kids, this young boy, and even it says Mama Mary, there, another boy. And when na-intriga ako, may mga parang buto-butones sa left and right side. Yun yung interactive part, tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am. At saka ang lahat ng mga medium ko, ginamit ko siya ng iba, like yung CD. Nag-paint ako sa CD, tapos yun ang ginamit ko.
Yeah, here, I think we're showing the CDs now. Yeah. And others, like, what's this one? Sinela?
Sinelas, ito yung tumbang preso. Sinelas saka yung lata. Yung lata naman naka-painting sa plaka, sa LP. So, nandun ako sa age ng recycling kasi. So, we have to recycle these materials. At saka, how can we make art modern? By using modern things or modern materials. So, yun yung isa. At saka isa pa, yung pagiging interactive niya.
Yung mga, parang may mga light sky, iba press here, may iba umiilaw. What are these? Parang connected siya sa computer.
Oh my God!
Computer inspired.
Oh my God!
Now, unity also begins in a touch. So, I want to make my artwork to be touched by anybody. So, yung theme ko, it's about puro Filipino themes.
Yes.
Daing, tinapa, tuyo, jolens, tumbang preso. Pero, traditional subject, in-execute ko sa mas modern na way. Or mas mga materials, CD, mga plaka, tapos yung pagiging interactive niya. Ipindot ka, that makes yung viewer make connection with the artwork. Parang sabihin na kailangan lumapit na recognize yung viewer sa artwork, which is very seldom to be done.
Yes, because a lot of people are very particular with their artwork. Like, very particular.
Burnwood.
Na ano daw sa init ng ilaw.
Yes,
What more kung isa?
Yung tinatouch. Actually, hindi naman yung buong artwork pwede i-touch. Merong portion doon, babasahin nila kung ano yung pwede nilang pindutin, pwede nilang galawin, na merong lights, may sounds, no? Tapos, parang sila yung tumatapos ng artwork. That makes the viewer also an artist. So, may connection siya between the viewer, the artwork, and the artist. So, there is the unity between the three.
Well, for at this point, you're already convincing me you're not a selfish artist. No, but it is true that some artists do their work in a sense na, well, it's nothing bad. I'm the first one to say it's nothing bad. In a sense na sasabihin nila, this is how I felt at that moment. These are emotions. But you are more encouraging in the sense that, go ahead. inspired yourself. And I like the messages na dinideliver mo through your work.
Thank
I
you.
like the one thing that you said na kailangan mo to come forward to start take that one step for unity.
Yes.
That's another thing. Everything is still
Papatayin
being
ko yung
May 5. Do you have any other plans for other exhibits this year? Or are you gonna take a break muna? 2 years in the making to eh.
After siguro 2 weeks, mag-start na ako ulit.
Wow.
Okay? Gallery-wise, very generous sila sa akin na nag-sponsor ng aking show. At saka sa kanila ako nagdala ng artwork now. Meron kaming project, maybe Ayala Museum or aking next show.
Well, watch out for that name again. It definitely stands out in Metro.
Thank you, ma'am.
By the way, we're not quite done with Demetrio de la Cruz. Okay, titignan na yan parang Madonna one day.
Yes.
But, how did you start? Ano ba age?
Natandaan ko mga around 3 years old pa lang ako. 4 years old. Kasi nakikita ko yung mother ko na mahilig mag-roda. Kami nagtitinda kasi kami. Tindahan kami kasi. Nakita ko sila mag-roda. Parang dun at early age, parang gusto mag-drawing.
Or create?
Yes.
You had something to create. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. Tapos, nalain natin siya. Nag-aral na ako. Tapos, na-open na rin sa akin yung fine arts. May fine arts palang course. No? So, yun na, doon ako nag-start.
You knew what you wanted ever
Yes,
since
ma'am.
you were a very, very young kid. What can you advise people out there to make it as far as you have gone?
Sa lahat ng mga aspiring artists, ang artist is not a profession. It's not a career, but it's a passion na kailangan nasa puso mo yun eh.
Like a calling.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. At saka kailangan hindi nila isipin kung ano yung hardship na kailangan nilang daanan. It's a part ng pagiging artist. Yun lang.
Well, you make this look so easy as anything. I felt my pleasure. I'm gonna drop my memo.
Thank you.
Thank